ready for something bold and sizzling? In this spontaneous kitchen moment, I whipped up a jerk steak skillet that's bursting with Caribbean flavor, perfectly seared steak, seasoned potatoes, crispy bacon, and melty cheese, all in one pan.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Tika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds.
Now, every hearty skillet needs a solid base, and for me, that's potatoes. Let's get them chopped and bubbling right away. So when we parboil, helps us to finish a little faster. Alright, and you also add flavor because we're adding a little salt to this water as well. Give them a good rinse to get rid of some of that starch. Alright, and these will boil for about like 1 to 2 minutes, guys, because we don't want them too mushy. We still need them nice and firm. As soon as that water got hot, it was time to take them off. Okay, all right, so to the water they go, adding some salt, giving it a good stir because layers of flavor is what we are about. Okay, cover and bubble. All right, now in the meantime, while that is going, we're going to go ahead and get our steak ready. Now we're using thin ribeye steak because it's the most ideal for this type of recipe. Giving it a good rinse there, rinsing as well with a little lemon, and then we are pat drying because when we're searing, we don't need our steak to be moist. No, we need it to be dry so that we can get that perfect sear. All right, and our seasoning is not diluted. And by the time you know it, it was time to strain off these potatoes. 1 to 2 minutes, I tell you. All right, now while that is draining, we are cutting our steak, right? And we're doing large cubes, so we could say our large dice, because when these cook, they're going to shrink a little bit, so we have to ensure they are at decent medium size so that when they shrink, we still get a beautiful, delicious big bite. Okay. All right, so we're just trimming off some of those excess fat there, and now it's time to add flavor. So we hit it with a little olive oil, about 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning, and about 1.5 tablespoons of wet jerk seasoning, right? So giving it a good rub right here. Now we're adding garlic powder, onion powder, a little Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and some smoked paprika, right? About 1 teaspoon each. While that is marinating, the bacon starts to sizzle. All right, and there we are, putting them in. By the time you know it, it's gonna be time to give them a nice little flip because we don't want them too crunchy. We still want them to be, a little chewy, I would say. All right, and it was time to take them out. And guys, you see that bacon grease that is remaining in the skillet? We're not draining that because, as you can see, this is what we're going to use to sear our steak bites. When I tell you flavor on top of flavor, oh my goodness, this was so delicious. Okay, now do not overcook your steak because 2 minutes is just ideal. After 2 minutes, you start flipping these because you need them nice, juicy, tender, and flavorful. Okay, all right, so look at that, guys. When I tell you about the aroma that comes from this kitchen, oh my goodness, it's like you want to eat everything before you actually serve up. This aroma is something else. Okay, all right, and there we are, removing the steak from the skillet. They are nice and ready, 2 minutes on each side. Going there with our second batch because this is a meat lover skillet that we're having here, right? A lot of steak bites, so delicious. Time to flip them. By the time you know it, it's time to get them out too. All right, and just like that, guys, that's what they're looking like. Up next, the potatoes has hit the pan. Now this is not going to take a long time to cook. Adding a little olive oil there, giving it a good toss. These potatoes, they came out so nice. Now parboiling them, leave the skin on. That's the tea, okay? Because the texture was wonderful. They were so tasty and delicious, I tell you. All right, and there we are, seasoning, because what, layers of flavor, right? So we go in with some freshly ground black pepper, a little dash of salt. All right, giving it a good toast there, looking so good. And this pan, clocking all the teas too, gave me the perfect sear on these potatoes. Up next, it's time to add those jerk steak bites. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Flavor coming to your screen from my kitchen to yours. All right, and we're ensuring that we're getting all the juices, and yep, it's time for a flip. Now these potatoes are nice and have the perfect texture. Adding that jerk steak bite, giving it a good toss for them to marry. Oh my goodness, guys, this marriage is one that you need to have in your kitchen, okay? Up next, we are adding the bacon, and we didn't even crumble this bacon because we need nice bite that is so delicious, melt in your mouth. And these are applewood bacon, by the way. Adding some cheddar cheese there as well, giving it a good toss as well, because when you bite into this, you want it to be gooey, you want it to be cheesy, you want it to be moist and flavorful. In there with some mozzarella cheese, and you know the mozzarella cheese give us the perfect cheese pull anytime we put it in anything. Okay, all right, and look at that, guys. Oh yeah, just fixing up things a bit, rocking them up in the taxi. All right, and we're finishing off with some extra mozzarella cheese on top. I did add some pepper jack as well. Cover this, guys, turn off the flame, and oh my goodness, look at that. Cheesy, beautiful, clocking all the teas, so attractive. And trust me when I tell you that this was really delicious. This was the tea, guys. Now, fun fact, did you know jerk cooking originates from the Maroons of Jamaica, who used pimento wood and spices to flavor and preserve meat? That smoky spicy magic is what makes jerk recipes so irresistible. And there it is. Look at that melt. Juicy jerk steak, golden potatoes, crispy bacon, and that bubbly cheese, bringing it all together. One steak, bold Caribbean flavor, and total comfort on one plate. Love recipes like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a sizzling moment here on Tika's Kitchen. To all my returning foodies, thank you for always showing love, dropping comments, and cooking along with me. I see you and I appreciate you deeply. And if it's your first time here, welcome to Tika's Kitchen. You're in for bold flavors, island vibes, and dishes that hit every time. Now, this jerk steak skillet is so versatile and can be served for many occasions, such as foodie vibes weekend, family gatherings, game day eats, date night in, also Sunday brunch, you name it. Until then, stay flavorful and keep cooking with heart.